Good morning, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Let's dive into today's market action. After a day of record-breaking heights for Apple and a surge in bank stocks, we saw the S&P 500 jump 1.1%, Dow climb 516 points, and Nasdaq Composite soar 1.4%. This rebound comes after last week's volatile swings due to trade tensions and banking worries. The day's undisputed star was Apple, which rose 3.9% to a new record high, pushing its market cap to $3.9 trillion. Sales of the iPhone 17 were up 14% over last year, with China seeing nearly double the sales of the base model. As we look ahead, the focus shifts to the Fed's October 28 to 29th meeting, where a 25 basis point rate cut is already priced in. Roughly 20% of the S&P 500 will report this week, with Netflix and Tesla among the closely watched names. Easing trade tensions, optimism over the government shutdown ending, and rate cut bets have all contributed to boosting investor sentiment. However, Friday's CPI report is expected to show September inflation at around 3.1%, a figure that could strengthen the case for another rate trim at the upcoming Fed meeting. U.S. stock futures remained flat this morning as investors anticipate key earnings reports and assess potential additional trade barriers between the U.S. and China. Tech sectors are expected to lead due to recent growth, with General Electric poised to open 1% higher due to stronger-than-expected earnings. Now, let's talk about the Magnificent Seven. Over the past year, these big tech stocks Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Nvidia, Tesla, Facebook have significantly outperformed the S&P 500. The Roundhill Magnificent 7 ETF, holding these companies, has surged nearly 37% compared to the S&P 500's approximately 15% increase. However, experts caution about concentration risk due to their dominance within the S&P 500 and higher valuations compared to historical norms. Despite anticipating robust earnings growth for these tech giants over the next 2 years, analysts warn of potential market volatility and economic nationalism that may impact investment portfolios. As we move forward, it's crucial to keep a close eye on Q3 earnings season results, as they could determine the S&P 500's momentum, which currently stands just 0.3% below its all-time high. Stay tuned for more updates and insights from ABR MarketWatch.